Okay, so top things to do on your day off is to turn this Nitelight into a USB light. First, you break this open and you rip the guts out of it. And then you find that it's already a USB. Yay! That makes our job easier. Then you look around for an hour or more and find that USB extension cord that you knew you had. And find out that it doesn't plug in because the USB is recessed. Now, let's unrecess it. Alright. Now for the tool of entry. Okay, we got something happening. Let me need to flip this over. I can't turn the knob on the vise with you there. It's better. Plug this in. Lay this up here where we can see it. Oh, we got a switch. And nothing. The issue here is that the USB part in the light is recessed into the plastic just enough so that my USB cord will not plug in and make contact. It's not in there deep enough, he said. Alright, I'm going to take this little screw out. Okay, well, this thing is made to rotate and still maintain contact, but it just doesn't stick out there far enough. You know what? I think I'm going to try to break the seal on here. So I'm going to scrape the glue off of it and shove it out there and hope it still makes contact on the inside. You know, if I got to, I'll just take a wire off and solder it right to them. Which was my original plan anyway, before I found out this had this. Oh. Okay, I cracked it loose. How much can we get out of there? I still gotta get this shit off of here too. Shove it in deeper. And then the contacts out a little bit to make sure we got some. It's got 5 volts there. It's getting it to here. Oh, it works. Ah, ta-da-da! The spring goes in here, and the screw goes in here. All right, we're gonna go see how that looks.